What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to be finally installing my first mod to the BRZ. So I'm going to be starting off with an unboxing and then the install. So if you want to skip ahead, just go ahead and do so now. But I'm going to be opening this box up, showing you guys how it comes. By the title of the video, you already know that I'm going to be installing Sidemarkers. I got them from Molded Innovations from Subimods. And ever since I got the BRZ, or even before getting it, the first thing I wanted to change was the side markers. Those are very ugly. They look like bicycle reflectors, so I really hate them. And now finally I have something to replace them with. So let's see. So okay, it comes in this black box right here. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Just comes in this bubble wrap, and here they are. Oh man, they look so nice. This is gonna be so different. So I got them smoked because my car is white. I kind of wanted to keep that contrast between the side marker and the car. I know a lot of people pick the clears, JDM ones specifically, and those I like. They look nice. But for me, if I had another color of car, I would have definitely gone with those. But because the car is white, I wanted to keep the just like the contrast between the two. Here's the other one. So you can see them both. So these are not sequential. They just turn on the full light. I kind of wanted something like that. I saw some sequential ones online and I wasn't really digging them. Most of them have that line in the middle, and they kind of look cool, but I just wanted the whole thing to light up. And this one is actually going to light up orange or amber. And again, I also thought about getting like a white light, but the ones I saw, they were too bright. They were brighter than the headlights. So I like these because they kind of keep the safety and also that color difference between the headlights and the side markers. So yeah, let's go out and see how these get installed. Now, before we continue with the install video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're liking the content, please hit that notification bell so you can get notified when a new video is uploaded. So thank you, and back to the install. So for this installation, you're going to need a ratchet and a 10mm socket, or a wrench, whichever you prefer. Then you're also going to need a pry tool or a flathead screwdriver. And yeah, that's about it. So the first step is to turn the wheels in, so that you can have space to work. You can also take the wheel off, but you don't really have to. So just turning them in would work. Now for the second step, you have these 3 clips here. You're going to want to take those off with your screwdriver or prying tool. Now it's easy as that. After you take the clips off, the next step is to pull this liner out of the way, and that's going to reveal the back of the side marker. Now step 3 will be to take this clip off, or this connector that's going to connect to your new side marker. And then the next step, step 4, will be to take the 10mm knot off. Okay, this one took me a while to get off. Those on there pretty tight, so might have to go through the same trouble. So now that you have the knot off, you're gonna want to have these clips that are on the side marker. Just push them down or push them, and then you might have to use some pliers for this. I'm just gonna try it out like this first. I'm gonna try using the pliers, maybe it's easier. Just take these pins, push down, and then out. There you go, there's the first one. And then you're gonna wanna do the second one, down and out. And there it is. The ugly orange side markers are out. And now for installing the new one's gonna be the same exact thing, just in reverse. So for the new ones, you just want to pop them in, just like that. And then you're gonna want to connect the connector that was on the original side marker. There it is. Now before I continue installing everything back on, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car, see how it looks. Oh man, look at that. Looks so much better. Looks so much cleaner. Oof. Just what I wanted. So, new side markers, old side markers. Now they're still amber, but they still look so much better. Makes such a big difference. So now we're going to put everything back together. I'll put the knot back on. Now make sure you put the liner back in correctly, and then put the pins back in, just push in. And that's it, you have the first one installed. So yeah, now let's move on to the second one. And there you have it, guys. Side markers are freshly installed. Man, they look so good. Such a night and day difference. And I don't know if I said it, probably not, but these aren't the flat ones that most people have. They're like protruded, so they kind of extend out a little bit. But honestly, it doesn't look bad. Like, you can't really notice it until you get it close or right in front. But they look good, and I also like that they're not fully black. They're kind of like charcoal gray. So they actually look good with the stock wheels. And also on the border, it's darker, so you have also that contrast with the white, the black, and then the like the charcoal gray in the center. But yeah, that's the install. So yeah, just to get a couple more clips for you guys here of how they look with them on right now. Oh, and there's them off. So yeah, I'm actually loving it. I definitely recommend this this mod for as the first mod for every 86 and BRZ, because those orange ones are ugly, and no matter what you put on it, JDM ones, clear, black, flat, protruded like this one, these ones, it's gonna look night and day different. So it looks way better. Now guys, let me know in the comments below if you like it or not, if you prefer clear. Just let me know your thoughts, or if you have these, let me know what you think of them. If you've been having them for a while, let me know how they turned out. But yeah, like I said, I love them. I don't think I'm gonna have them forever. I mean, I don't know, I might change them in the future, but for now these are perfect. This is what I wanted, so I'm gonna keep them on there for a while. So yeah, just let me know in the comments below if you like them, what you think. Just to give you guys a little bit more walk around the car. I'm gonna be doing more to the car obviously, but for now these side markers will do. Later today I'm gonna be driving the BRZ, maybe get a couple shots for you guys, a couple videos and pictures, and just see how it looks at night. But even turning it on here during the day, they look bright enough so that people can see them from afar, but also not too bright that it doesn't look good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you later when I drive the BRZ around. So guys, I came here at night to shoot a couple of clips for you guys with the side markers off and on. It definitely makes a big difference. I'm loving how it looks. I definitely recommend this to everyone that owns one of these cars. So yeah, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.